Dear students, today we will discuss fact. Adobe Photoshop 1.0 was launched in 1990. Different versions of Photoshop have evolved till now, from Photoshop 2.0 to Adobe Photoshop 19.1.16. The latest version, Photoshop 18.0.1, is popularly known as Adobe Photoshop CC, released in August 2018. Now we are going to learn how to start it. To start Photoshop, follow the sequence of steps given below. First, click the Start button, All Programs, Adobe Photoshop CC. You will get the screen of Photoshop. Now, some new things about the Photoshop. The default extension of Adobe Photoshop file is .pst. Components of Photoshop CC. Menu bar. It is the topmost horizontal bar in Photoshop window that contains all the main menus of Photoshop such as File, Edit, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, Type, View, Window and Help. Components of Photoshop CC. Second, option bar, control panel. Immediately below the menu bar is the option bar. It displays the options related to the currently selected tool in the tools panel. Number third, document window. It is the area that displays the image file that you want to edit. The name of the image file appears as a tab at the top of the window. Next, panels. On the right side of the Photoshop window, there is a separate area for panels. Photoshop offers various panels that can either be grouped, stacked or docked. By using various options from these panels, you can monitor and modify the properties of an image. Panels can be placed anywhere on the screen. To float them, click on the top of the panel. Drag the panel while keeping the left mouse button pressed. Now, some more thing about a dock is a collection of panels displayed together generally in a vertical orientation. You can dock or undock panels by moving them into and out of a dock. Given below is the description of the most commonly used panel. Color panel. The color panel on the right side displays the color values of the current foreground and background colors. You can use the sliders in the color panel to change the foreground and background colors using different color modes. You can also select a foreground or a background color from the spectrum of colors displayed at the bottom of the panel. It has swatches tab to the right of it. Swatches panel. Swatches panel stores the most frequently used colors. You can easily add or delete customized colors from the swatches panel. Next, adjustment panel. It helps you to apply an effect to a group of layers in much easier way. Later on, you can edit that effect while preserving the original layers. The adjustment panel has a stylish tab to its right. Styles panel. It allows you to view, select and apply preset layer styles. By default, a preset style replaces the current layer style. You can also add your own style using the Create New Style icon. Next, History panel. You can access your document's history in the History panel and undo the changes easily. Layers panel. The Layers panel in Photoshop displays all the layers in an image. It also shows the various effects applied on the layers. Tools panel. Along the left side of the Photoshop window, we find the Tools panel. It works like an artist's paint box and holds a variety of tools that help us to draw, paint and manipulate the images. Let us know more. To collapse an expanded panel back to its icon, click on its tab, its icon or the double arrow in the panel's title bar. Now, how to create a new file? Open Photoshop, create a new image by selecting the File New option. This will open the new document dialog box. The dialog box will allow you to create document using the selected templates from Adobe stock across several categories that include photo, print, art, illustration, web, mobile, film and video within the dialog box. Find more templates using the search for more templates on Adobe stock search box. Quickly access files, template and items that you have recently accessed from the recent tab. Save your own custom preset for reuse in the Save tab. Create a blank document using the blank document preset. Click on the Photoshop category and select any preset. Change its settings as per your need in the preset details pane on its right side. Specify the details like name of the image file in the next text box. Set up the size, width and height of an image in different units of measurement such as pixels, inches, centimeters or points. Specify the value for resolution to determine the sharpness and clarity of an image in the resolution text box. Mention the color codes such as RGB, CMYK or grayscale in the color mode text box and provide the background of an image by defining either of the three options: white, black or background color in the background content section. Click on the Create button. A new blank Photoshop canvas will be created with a locked background layer in the Layers panel.